Hey, I'm Dave Coach. Welcome back to Park City, where I am having fun shooting an Airbnb and making way too many videos because there's nobody here to stop me. So today I'm just going to talk about something philosophical, and it just came up. It's not something I can point out and show it to you necessarily. Actually, you know what? Here's an example. Let's use this. Let's say I've already shot this room and I come back and I look at this and I see, well, first off, you can see I took the blue soap out from over here from the earlier episode. I don't even know what that is, but that's something I've hidden. But all of a sudden it became very apparent that this needs to be centered. And I may or may not have shot this with it not centered. Were I actually worried about this, I would go back and look and see what I shot, because I do know I shot this centered. But if this were lined up like this, I would definitely reshoot this, because this, especially if I was shooting a single point, and we talked about that, that and this need to be centered. And so I would definitely come here, move that over to right about there. Yeah, and then work on the chairs. Luckily, I did do that when I shot it originally. But the question remains, do you reshoot? And, first off, there's no shame and no problem with reshooting. I just want to point that out. If it bothers you, my advice would be to reshoot it. Ultimately, it's your name going out on all these pictures. And if you're not happy with it, if you're not satisfied, I don't think that's a deliverable picture. I don't care how fast you're working. If you're not proud of every single image that you put out, you're probably not that good a shooter, or you're not putting as much time and effort into your images as you should. If there's an image that has something in it that's bothering you, there's something wrong with the image and it should be reshot. So I am an advocate of going through and reshooting when and where possible, where you need to. The fine line to me comes when I think about, can I fix it in Photoshop? And while I'm not a big advocate of fixing things in Photoshop, there are times where Photoshop is the most reasonable and fastest way to fix a problem. But something like this table, that to me, that's a reshoot. Let's make that work, and let's be proud of it. Even in an Airbnb like this one, which isn't, this is not luxury. Let's face it, this is not my typical luxury. But you know what? I'm still putting the same effort I put into, a $2 or $3 million home into this, because again, it's my name that's on it, and I want this to be as shining an example of my work as a $2 or $3 million home. So that's my little preaching for the day. If you think you need to reshoot it, you need to reshoot it, and go reshoot it, and make yourself proud. Make your mama proud. Be a good boy. Okay. All right. Well, I hope you're having a great day. I'm having a fantastic day. You get out there and you make your next shoot your best shoot.